God, alright, it has been a minute since I've done one of these videos. Welcome back, everyone. Not posted on this channel in absolutely ages. Main reason is I've just been taking a break from trading, a bit chilling out a bit more, But was back at it today, back on the markets, back on the charts. Got break even today, and just about to break down the trade that I was in for you guys. So this was on my brand new Top Step account. Brand new 50k accounts that I passed just yesterday. So we're on the Express now. On the sorry, frog in my throat. I'm on the 3-day payout consistency path, meaning we need 3 days, 3 winning days on the account with a 40% consistency rule. So that is what we are working towards at the moment, and then we'll be able to request a payout of up to $6,000 depending on what the end balance is. Now, to get into today's trade, market open, where's market open? Market open was here, chopped around a little bit. Let me make sure I'm on the right one. Yeah, New York. Yeah, so market open was here. Chopped around, ended up coming down, swept out all of these lows here. There was a few other lows I would have liked us to sweep out first, but I was pretty happy with that. We then got a nice move back up after sweeping out all of them without taking any of the highs yet. Came down a little bit more, then proceeded to go back up to these highs here. Now, when I saw this high here didn't get taken, the first thing I thought was, okay, I need to now hop onto ES really quickly to see if this high here had been taken, which, as you can see, it had been taken, meaning we had then formed an SMT of that high. So after seeing the SMT, I'm instantly going to start looking for shorts of such a dominant high, pretty much having been taken on one but not the other. I had marked out this 5-minute fair value gap here, which I wanted to see get inversed. It did take a few attempts before it eventually inversed it, but then we picked up some nice momentum and got a pretty nice close on the inverse. Target, I didn't want to target anything too crazy. Like I could have very easily gone for these lows here. Could have been my target, but I decided to go for these lows here instead. So basically a 1-to-1, 1.2R trade. Not bad at all. Stop loss was just at the wick high. 5-minute inverse, got a really nice close. Entered pretty much right where the close was, and then we came down. Came down really nicely, actually, and in fact, we were 9 points away from hitting take profit, and it just missed it. Which this trade here I'd entered with 2 contracts. Obviously, I risk heavy on these Top Step accounts, so would have made it just under $3,500 on the account. But we did not take it. We missed it, sadly, meaning we went back up and hit the break even. I think my P&L was about $15 for the day. I saw a lot of people struggle with their trades today. I saw a lot of people also win with their trades today, so I guess it just depends on the person, really. The only other thing that I can really see as standing out as being a good trade, I missed this one. This short here looks quite good to me. Enter there. Stop loss would obviously either go at the high or here. And then you've got very easy targets as these lows or these equal lows here. That actually would have been a much nicer trade than the one that I took. However, I was not on the charts at this point, so yeah. Yeah, that would have been nice. How much would I have made of that one if I entered with 2? Would have made 7.6k. So it would have been a wee bit more than my desired profit. But yeah, that was today pretty much. Few good trades. Decent price action, actually. I know a lot of people were complaining about it, but I actually didn't mind today at all. Bit of a shame that I got stopped out being that close to take profit, but oh well, you win some, you lose some. Sadly, today we got break even, so you can't really complain. Anyway, if you guys took something today, please let me know in the comments down below what it was you took, whether you made money, lost money, and what you learned overall, as that is the main thing. Hope to see you back in the next episode, and I will see you then.